Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Power BI tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an engaging, interactive dashboard by placing multiple charts on a single report page. By the end of this video, you'll know how to combine bar charts, pie charts, line charts, whatever visuals you need all in one place, so you can tell a complete story with your data at a glance. If you want your Power BI reports to look professional and really impress your team, this is a must-learn technique. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to have your dataset loaded into Power BI. Whether you're working with sales data, HR reports, or pretty much anything else, start by importing your data and making sure everything looks correct in the data view. This might seem basic, but trust me, having clean data from the start saves you a ton of headaches down the road. Once your data's loaded, it's time for the fun part, adding visuals. Over in the Visualizations pane on the right, you'll see all the chart types available. Let's say you want a bar chart to show sales by product, a pie chart for market share, and maybe a line chart to track trends over time. Simply click on the chart icon you want and drag your fields onto the chart. Don't worry if it takes you a minute to get the right fields lined up. Power BI's drag-and-drop interface is pretty forgiving. Now, once you've got a few visuals created, resizing and organizing them is where your dashboard starts to take shape. You can just click and drag around the edges of each chart to make them bigger or smaller, and position them anywhere on your report canvas. I like to imagine the canvas as a grid. Think of a 2x2 layout, or maybe 3 charts across and 2 down. This grid approach helps keep things tidy and makes it easy for anyone viewing your report to follow the story you're telling. Here's a quick tip: don't try to cram too many visuals onto one page. Power BI makes it tempting to add lots of charts because it's so easy, but for a clean, easy-to-read report, I recommend sticking with about 4 to 6 charts per page. That way, each one has enough space to breathe and nothing feels overwhelming. Remember, less is often more when it comes to good dashboard design. To add interactivity, and this is where Power BI really shines, let's bring in a slicer. Slicers are filters you place right on the page, like by region or category. Just drag a slicer visual onto the canvas, select the field you want to use, and position it somewhere that's easy to find. When users interact with your slicer, every chart connected to that field will update instantly. For example, you can let viewers filter sales performance by region, and all your charts will reflect that choice together. It's a fantastic way to let your audience dig into the data that matters most to them without any extra clicks. And before we call it finished, a couple of best practices: keep your color scheme consistent throughout the page. For example, if North America is blue in the bar chart, it should be blue in the pie chart too. Also, try to avoid unnecessary clutter. Resist the urge to add lots of extra labels or legends unless they really help the story. Clean visuals not only look more professional, but they're much easier to understand at a glance. That's it. Now you know how to set up multiple charts on a single page in Power BI to create truly interactive, polished dashboards. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or want to see more Power BI tips, leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.